Peeps, do you know what time it is? Yep, I've got, this is the cold infusion tea, and that's because it's so hot. We're talking in the high 90s here. This is the cold infused. Good luck finding it. I was trying to get some more because when I was at Ollie's, I bought them for $1.79. And of course, every time I go to Ollie's, I look and they haven't had them. But the worst of it is they're not at Walmart anymore. They were higher than I wanted to pay then. And when I looked up on Amazon, somebody was selling it for like $18. And it's like, it's not that good. That was a whine. Okay, I do have two ladies following me on Tea Time. And I want to say a big thank you and shout out to them. Lois, Life with Lois, and Joyce, Mrs. Peach's Thrifty. Oh, snap. You'll see their monikers for Amazon. Oh, my word. This is a bad day, okay? I'm trying to get this done because tomorrow is Wednesday. It's Tuesday, and I'm trying to get it done. And I am cramming because I need to finish getting the camper done. I'm doing some repolstering in there. The camper, itself is in good shape, but the couches and chairs and everything were just totally messed up. So they had some faux leather on the backs of, the couch and chair had faux leather and it was coming off, and varmints had moved into them. It was disgusting, so those went to the dump. The dinette set, I took the covers off and washed them, and it did fine except for all the faux leather came off in the washer. So it's just kind of a white patch there. When I do the tour, you'll get to see it. But they also had the faux leather as decoration on the edges of the benches, and it's peeling and disgusting. So I'm taking those off and recovering them. And at some point you'll get to see that. But I'm trying to get this done because the road repair people are here today, and they're going to fix it up. And then, I don't know what day we'll be moving the camper in over there, but we're going to get it set in the permanent position. And the person that's taking my old camper is kind of excited and wants it as soon as possible. So it's like this cram. So I've got too many irons in the fire. So if you're not seeing bunches of videos, that's why. You're probably relieved. Brenda was, I'm assuming Walmart, but I'm not really sure. These were like really cheap. I don't really know enough about these. I think I opened one and I was not as impressed as with some of the mini brands. So we're going to open these up quick. If you got a minute, I'll try to do it quick. This is the first one. This is Mini Verse, Make It Mini Lifestyles. Like I said, I have opened a couple of these, but it's been a while. I haven't really been, doing any of these mini brands. Not that I don't like them, it's just they've got really expensive in my opinion. And toys are for fun, and I don't think it's that fun to pay that much for them. There is that. So, Miniverse, this is usually the table, the covering and stuff, and the instructions. And we have little bags. Oh, and these boxes are so cute. I love the boxes. Okay, the first thing is this plant. It's wrapped in paper. I'm sure the paper comes off, but look it's cute. I really like the plant. So we'll see how that works. This one has Sun Grow. I think it's probably potting soil. We're gonna look and see. Yeah. It's potting soil for it. I do like these little plants. The miniature plants are adorable to me. But, it's got some baby tweezers. I'm not sure what this is for, but for something. And then a baby shovel, you know, to do all the shoveling of the dirt. And the last but not least is Happy Grow Company. I'm assuming this is the pot that the plant goes in. And I was trying not to ruin the box, but it's not coming open. Drat. I just ruined the box. There is that. Oh, I like the pot. If I can get it out. I like to save the look at, I do love the pot. This one I really like, and with this plant in it, it's going to be adorable. Yes, please. Let's see if it shows you what the thing looks like. It shows you how to do all of this stuff. The instructions, and here it is right here. Isn't that pretty? It's cute. I really like it. That one's a keeper for sure. I'm sure I can find a little spot for that plant somewhere when I get it done. Right? Next one. This one is Miniverse. Make it mini from scratch. I have not done any of these. I don't think so anyways. The food ones, maybe I have, I don't know. You know, my wonderful brain doesn't remember things anymore. There is that. I think that they expect kids to do this, and kids can get them off easier, so there is that. This one's got a lot of stuff in it. Oh. We have a little mini sheet cake pan. Isn't that cute? And it's pink. We have a cake mix. Isn't that cute? We have Made with Love. I don't know what's in this, but we're going to find out. Ah, looks like icing. Whipped frosting. And a little top so that you can write with it. How fun is that? I think we're making a birthday cake or something, right? And for after you make the cake, you know, the board to put it on. Wow, look at that. It's like cake deco kit, it says on this side, but it's got, you know, so you can put their name and the border. This is the tabletop. Here's the base of the table. Oh, how cute. There's a bowl in here. Look at this. This is so cute. Look at that. Teeny tiny candles. There is a lot of stuff in this one. Oh, and it's a pink bowl. I do like the bowl. It's pink. What can I say? I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, we have what I'm assuming is utensils for making this. I think these are one where you have to use the light to cure it, but I'm not positive. Or the light does cure it. Okay, we have a pair of tweezers, which is common in these. There's something else in here, but it's not coming out. Ah, isn't that cute? We have a spatula. And the last package. Let's see what that is. Veggie oil. I'm sorry, but that is just totally cute. Now this, of course, again, instructions, shows you how to make it and what to do. And of course, here is the actual one. So you can make a birthday cake for anybody and put their name on it. Isn't that just adorable? I think it's adorable. So there. But now I've got a mess. Sorry, trying to get it out of my way so I can do the next one. Set it over here. I don't know if I would want to even make the cake part. I don't know. Has anybody out there done these? What was this one? I didn't even look at it. This is a mini verse. They're all mini verses, it looks like. It's not the mini brands, it's the mini verse. And as usual, they're really hard to open. Why? Where is that? Ew, it's yellow. I mean, oh, it's yellow. Truth is, yellow is not my favorite color. You all know that. You know what my favorite color is. Okay, Happy Sun Farms, made fresh. So what do we got here? Let's open it up and check it out. Rice. Ichimisun Foods, rice. How cute is that? And we have a sunny day. I'm assuming it's like a rice bowl. You've seen rice bowls that they have, and a rice spoon. Nice. Finally found the instructions, and there's like 4 of them. Interesting. Not sure why that is. Our utensil bag. Let's see what we got for utensils this time. Oh, isn't that cute? We got some little tiny chopsticks. That is stinking cute. I don't know what that's for, but it's probably for something on the top. And then, of course, the tweezers, as usual. We have Ikimisan Foods. I don't know what that's for. And, of course, our table, as usual. This one's got a bigger pedestal. And we have thank you. If you notice, it's really hot in here. When it gets up in the high 90s, it's warm in this place. Oh, isn't that cute? We have a little pack of nori and then the tray. If you go to Japanese restaurants, you know they set it on those. That's cute. It's a little baby one. And we have happy something. What does that say? Happy sun something. I can't read it. Yellow. I can't read yellow. And if you can hear them out there working, sorry. Oh, isn't that cute? It's the vegetables for inside of your sushi that you're supposed to make. I'm assuming that's what this is. And last one. Icy, ice. I don't know what that's for. Rice vinegar. Isn't that cute? And then we have the teeny tiny thing to make it smaller. That is so cute. And again, of course, our instructions tells you how to make it. And here we have the little sushi bowl. And that's what we got. How cute is that, right? I think it's adorable. And we'll get this one out of the way, and just one more left. I am so hot. Oh. I wanted to get out here before they started, and of course, I couldn't get my act together. There is that. So here we have another one, and this is a mini verse also. And we're gonna see what it is. Brenda loves a good sale. If I go anywhere with her, we have to go to the clearance aisle first, which is my kind of a thing too. So I'm not complaining. I'm just, whenever she finds stuff, oh, they're gonna be annoying. I'm excited they're fixing our road though, because there's pits so bad that my car wants to rub. I'm afraid it's gonna rip my oil pan off or something. So I'm glad they're fixing it. It's just I wish they wouldn't be. I wish I could have gotten out here and got this done before, but I couldn't. I thought about skipping it like I've done every other thing, because I'm not getting any coloring done. We have started a me and some ladies from my church are going to be doing Bible studies, and we're going to go do an outreach where we take books out and about, and we've been wrapping them and getting them ready, and we're coloring little things to put in the packaging. Maybe if I think about it next time, I'll bring it so you can see. And here we go. I don't know if that needs to be saved, or we have a thank you. Let's see what the little thing is in here. Interesting. Makey make. It feels like sanding paper. Isn't that cute? Yeah, it says sandpaper there at the bottom. Look at that, a little teeny thing of sandpaper. I don't know what they're making, but it's got sandpaper. Oh, I finally get it. They just package them for everybody. That one's not English. That one's not English. Neither is that one. And then we have a read me first. I understand this one. Okay, so here we go. Makey make. We're gonna find out what's in this. It looks like they're gonna make popsicles is what it looks like. You've seen those little popsicle makers, right? We have some utensils. What kind of utensils do we need for making popsicles? There is a little spreading knife. It's probably got a fancy name that I don't know. I don't know what these are for, probably for a tray. And we have another thank you. Oh, we've got 2 bottles this time. This one says milk. They're definitely cute. And this one says yellow. I don't know what that means, but yellow. It looks like honey. And then we have the 2 little lids for pouring the way you want to. Next one, it's just wrapped up. It's a little tray. How cute. It's good coloring though. Just gonna put that out there. It's good coloring. And another thank you. Let's see what's in this one. Oh, it looks like popsicle sticks. So I'm thinking they're making popsicles. How fun is that? So here, mold it yourself. Yep. See, popsicles. Let's see if we got a picture here. And here we go. That is cute. Definitely cute. Okay, well, I'm finally done torturing you with these. In case you wanted to know. What else do we got going on? It's just so much right now that I just don't seem to be able to get caught up. But I have to get ready for my craft program next Monday, so I've got to come out and do that this afternoon. This morning I'll go out, and after I get done here, I'll go out and do some weed eating and some clearing off of the path and the outside work that I normally do, and then I'll take a shower because I'll be sopping wet, and then I'll come in and do some crafting out here. And I have not even got my stuff for next month. I don't know if I'm gonna get time because I've got to get a craft ready for next week. Wine, wine, wine. You didn't need to know that. That's definitely a TMI. Okay, I do have a jewelry repair, running out of them, so I might have to do some more, but I do have a jewelry repair. I'm gonna show you that and be right back. So this is what we've got today. Shannon gave this to my sister. It's a set of earrings and a necklace that are a bee. She didn't want them, so she gave them to me. And of course the bee matches, see? But the lobster claw is broken on this part of it. It will not stay latched. As you see, it's messed up. So we are going to just take it off. Maybe. This one is thicker. I guess I need to use the thicker thing. Yeah, just get your act together, Jean. And we're gonna put this nice, pretty new one on. And then it should clasp and it can be worn, right? This is one tough jump ring, I tell you what. It's a pill. Sometimes you just got to get the other pliers and just dig right in. And there we have it. It's all set up. A whole new set. What do you think? I do have one other thing to do with this one, and this is it. Now, Ariel gave me this set. I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorites, but she gave it to me with this cord, and I love black cords, but this Pretty is very light, and so it doesn't want to stay in the front. And so I asked her if it was okay if I put a different chain on it, and she said okay. So I've got one of my chains out, and we're just going to pull it off of this cord. We'll save this cord because we'll use it for something that's a little heavier, and then we'll put it on this chain. And we got to see, let's see, it's this way and this way. But I really like this set, and I think I'm going to like it better on a chain just because of the weight, because it weighs nothing. It is extremely light, which is great. I like that because I like tiny and light. See, it's earrings and necklace to match. I'm sure you've seen me wear them, and I absolutely love them. Ariel made these. Ariel, aka Zerelia, you know who it is, right? Hopefully that was a little bit interesting. If not, sorry. There is that. I hope this finds you absolutely flamazing. Stay blessed. Until next time. Hey, you made it to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.